Talking about social impact of facilities management in today's world is really challenging because the social factor is drastically changed today. I know that there are a lot of research documents and there are a lot of studies about the influence of facilities management on the societies, and most of them are really brilliant and excellent works, and they provide us with a lot of knowledge in that respect. But what I did actually. As I try to define or get a definition about what is social actually. So according to Cambridge Dictionary, all the definitions that are written there about the social, doesn't matter if this is an adjective or is a noun, they comes with a definition that it's a meeting between people and enjoying the time being together. So at the end of the day, what's written in the dictionary is that social is about enjoyment. The social is about being together. As the first bullet, it's written related to activities in which you meet and spend time with other people, and that happen during the time when you're not working. So I would like to bring a little bit more different view on the social elements, and also about how the facilities management discipline and how the facilities management profession is actually influencing this social element, and what kind of an impact we have there, and how actually we need to transform ourselves and to transform our business doings, our knowledge and our expertise, in order, at the end of the day, to deliver joy and happiness to the people that want to socialize and want to meet each other. So today, facilities management, it's a quite widespread discipline with a lot of knowledge, with a lot of expertise, and I just divide the three main pillars where we are delivering, let's say, physically our services. Starting with workplaces, where I think that all of us, we know that the modern beginning, or the beginning of the modern facilities management, is related exactly to the workplaces, and it's related to the ability to increase the productivity of the people that are actually living and working at the office environment. So in workplaces, we feel ourselves very, very comfortable. We have clear requirements. We have our focus on productivity, on comfort, on engagement of people that are using these offices, regardless of the fact that this is an office of an IT company or production facility or any other place where we go to work. But again, in that premises, in that physical places, we feel comfortable because we have our concrete customers, we have our concrete requirements, we know them, and we are really able to transform them and to achieve the goals of the organizations. Let's say, to bring this additional value that we are talking lately about it. Then comes the homes. I mean, the places where we are living, where we are spending the other part, or let's say another part of our time. When we talk about homes, in general, this is the place where we define the requirements, how our home will look like, what we want to have. How big should be the living room, or what will be the furniture. So there also we have quite a clear requirements defined by ourselves. So there also we are looking for comfort, we are looking for relaxing atmosphere, we are looking for security, of course, we are looking for peace, and a nice place where to meet and communicate our relatives and our family. Then it comes quite a big area, which I call here for this presentation the public, all the public places where we're using in one way or another. Of course, these are hospitals, these are schools and universities, shopping facilities, public transport, And in all these facilities, again, there are quite a clear requirements and quite a clear goals. We need to ensure quality of the health system, of the health treatments. We need to ensure nice environments so students can educate themselves and can be introduce the innovation in the educational systems. About the shopping mall, so yeah, we need to deliver good and best shopping experience to all people that are visiting these shopping facilities. The transport should be clean, nice, faster, reliable. So again, there we have quite a concrete requirements, and we feel ourselves as a facilities management quite in a comfort zone. But there comes also another places and another areas where we spend also a lot of our time, and most of these places are that there we go for this enjoyment that we are looking in this social element, as it's stated in the Cambridge Dictionary. So usually we don't go to hospital to meet other people. We go there because we need some treatment. The public transport we are using just to go from one point to another one. But at the end of the day, we go to the places where we want to meet our friends, where we want to meet other people. And I would say that regardless of the development of workplaces today, because workplaces are actually attracting and they develop social areas inside the offices where people can meet on a base like colleagues, but still we have parks, still we have coffee shops, still we have restaurants, still we have streets and all these urban areas where most of the time we go there and we meet because we want to socialize and we want to enjoy the contact with other people. And actually, these are the places where there is a kind of a lack of expertise and kind of a lack of enthusiasm or activities from our side in order to be present there better than in all other facilities that we are quite good. So I would say that it's not only about delivering services, but it's also about being there as an initial stage of the design of all these urban areas. Yes, we know about our services. We know about the core, let's say, of the FM as a discipline. Historically, facilities management comes from hard services, from the technicians. So today, I would say that we know how to manage complex engineering systems. We know how to deal with HVAC systems, electrical, water, and so on and so on. So we are not afraid of being a technical expertise and provide these services in order our facilities that we are living and we are using to function in a normal and operational way. Then comes the soft part of the facilities management, which also we are quite aware how to manage and how to control and how to deliver services to our customers. With all the variety of all services, from cleaning, from comfort, from reception, security, catering, we know how to organize ourselves and we know how actually to narrow these services in order to make our customers more happy. But again, these are places which we feel ourselves comfortable, like facilities management professionals, and these are most like offices, workplaces, public facilities like hospitals and schools. Recently, we talk very aggressively and very passionate about the technology. Technology is enabler for the main, let's say, hard and soft FM services. And across the globe, there are people, there are companies that they're using technology more and more, which actually enable us and give us the power to be more professional in our doings and to serve better our customers. And at the end of the day, to deliver this add-on value and to be a business partner to the core businesses. We know not only our services as an end product there, but also we know about people. Facilities management is a business that is very people related. We have our staff, and usually FM companies are very staff dependent. We have big teams of service staff or technical staff. We have a big management teams. So during the years, we gather a knowledge, which is how to retain, how to recruit, how to motivate, how to develop people, and how to make them engage. So with I would say that with these two main skills that we have in our core business about the services that we are delivering to our end customers, and also our internal knowledge about managing people, looks like that we are the right organization, we are the right partner of delivering these services also to these public areas where, at the end of the day, people are going there and want to meet and communicate and want to enjoy the time that we spend together. So having all this knowledge, having all this expertise, and having all these skills that in a modern environment actually describes the professional facilities management, I think that it's the end of time we as a facilities management professionals to be more proactive and to look actually how to introduce our services in a much more initial stage of development of all the urban areas, including street environment, including parks, including city gardens, including all the places that usually we meet and we communicate with people in order to see enjoyment. From the other side, as we are professional in engaging people, I think that there are many people that will be happy to be engaged and to make this environment in these areas more vivid, to make it more full with life, more full with enjoyment. And again, this social engagement and this social impact, I would say that there is not anything revolutionary new, or there is no anything that we need today to invent or to make it a transformation of our core services. We just need to adapt our knowledge from the premises and the facilities where we feel ourselves very comfortable, like workplaces, like public areas, like hospitals, to take this knowledge, to transform it, and to apply this knowledge on the areas and the places where people go out there and meet for enjoyment. We know how to do it. We know how to engage people. We know technology. We know our soft services. So just we need to rethink how to be better presented there, and which one is the way of being more visible in all the process from the initial design till actually the real usage of all these areas. I think that ahead of us there are quite a great changes and challenges, because also today with the COVID-19 situation, the development of these urban areas, it's quite a task. We have to consider many more factors. We have to consider the social distance. We have to consider all the sanitary there. But nevertheless, I'm pretty sure that our society and our professionalism is in that level that we can meet this challenge, and we can partnering with anybody involved in this. I mean, starting with authorities, with construction companies, with a social organizations, actually, which also have the same target as we may have in developing of these urban areas, and partnering with them, we can really deliver a new experience in order people to be able to enjoy themselves and meet with other people. Thank you for your attention. I just want to say that looking at the agenda of this 2 days conference, I would say that a lot of interesting presentation will come today and tomorrow, and I'm really looking forward to see most of them. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.